Let me give you a quick overview of how this system is going to be working. So once you log in into the SME account, of which I created the last time I was there at Nyagatare, we had an account where you would log in, request you an OTP, you provide it, and then you get authenticated to access this page. So what you see first is this dashboard, which shows activities that has been on the box, and then you have to come here to the routers to see which routers are online and which ones are offline. So since you have one box, you will only see the one that you have its serial number, either if it's online or offline. Green shows online and then red shows offline. You can see its analytics, where you can select a router. It shows you its analytics. You can select either the next one, or you can also choose to see analytics of the all. You can also see the service statuses. And then one other thing is that you can edit the router, which means you can come and change the SSID, which is the hotspot name that a user see when they're going to connect to it. And then you can also update the location of where the router is. I think that's all on the routers, but also we have vouchers. You're going to be using another system and not this one. The landing page customization, which means you can customize the landing page that you see. You come at wifi.shilikihub.com. So this is the landing page. This page is served offline, so you don't need to have internet to access it. Only being connected to the box is enough for you to access it. So you can customize it. As you can see, it is customized to look like this. But then if you want to modify it, you can do all those things here. So you click on get started, and then you see the services that you have activated. So I will guide you on how these services are activated like quick. You can choose to reset or customize or upload the logo, maybe your Hunger Hub's logo, the background color. As you can see, I've choose to use orange, the name, Hunger Hub, a primary message, or basically what you do or what welcoming message you want to show to the people coming there at Hunger Hub. When you go to the add-ons, this SMS package is when users want, when they want their customers to receive an OTP message of the code that when they want to connect to internet. So they will receive the code via message. So I don't think you need that. What I want to briefly explain is this auto connect feature, where once you enable it, as you can see, it is already enabled on my side. Once you enable it, this means that any user who connects to your access point, you call it I don't remember the name, but anyone who connects to your Wi-Fi name, they should get internet instantly. So you can either choose how long they can be connected for that session. Means if they connect to internet, they can have internet access for 1 hour. This is my custom configuration, but you can also choose yours. In your case, maybe you want them to have the internet 24 hours. So if you choose to have for them to have internet for 24 hours, then they will be having an internet. So, and also another thing is that maybe you want to limit them. Like if they connect, they are not going to have internet again. So if 1 hour is over, then if you check this, then if 1 hour is over, they're not going to be able to reconnect until 24 hours is over. I hope this is clear, and then I move forward to another thing. Another thing that you are going to be using is this queue management system, where maybe you want to manage the queue, the people who are going to be visiting Hang Hub, or even the students in the way they are going to be accessing the computers in the lab. So basically, how you can do it is you can check the access link. It is this one. So here you will have to log in with the credentials you used to log in into this web app. So basically I will use mine for this kind of demo. So once I log in, I can see who are already here. So the video I sent you earlier covers how this works. So it will be a straightforward process. because this queue is directly connected to this web application. As you can see, here is a queue. If I choose to join the queue, then I can get a ticket, and then once I get the ticket, I should be okay. I have the ticket, and then once I get the ticket, my account appears here on the dashboard, and then once they say next, and then that shows.
Please proceed to counter number B1.
Okay, as you can see, I've already been served since they marked my queue as done. You find how these applications are working in the video I shared with you earlier. When I move forward to the survey, that is the same process. You create a survey. This is the access link. You will be finding how you can access them here. You can create a form, and then you submit the form. So if you create a form, it will appear here on the survey list, so that maybe the people you have prepared the form for can fill it. It is also explained in the video I shared with you earlier. Another thing is this camera. Yeah, you will have to use it in 1 or 2 months that is coming. You have also the HMS. I don't think you'll need this. You have the captive portal. This is the other sign-in page that you were seeing when I was there. So you have to deactivate it since you don't need to see a sign-in page. Another thing is the entertainment, which is what you're going to be using most of the time, because you want to upload the data or the content and then be accessed offline without needing internet to access it, and that will in one way or another increase how your internet speed is, since most of you are not going to find the documents that has been shared to them on another server that is going to require them to use much of the bandwidth and the internet. So you will only be using internet when it is really necessary. So without further ado, all you need is to click the activate button, and then you will see and then you will see the entertainment popped up here. And once you click, as you can see, I can access this content offline. When I click on stream, as you can see, I am accessing this video offline, and you can see how fast it is. Yeah, you can see you can upload as many as you can. Let me guide you on how you can upload all those things. Another thing is this web app login. When you activate it, then before someone reaches here, they will have to provide their credentials, like the email, first name and last name. But I don't think you also be needing that. But in case you need, you will simply have to click the activate button. So on the entertainment part, let me show you how you can really upload the content really fast. Here is content management. First, you can choose an advert. Maybe you want, if someone opens this, they can see an advertisement on how to use this application. You have to prepare that video, of course, or you might even show the rules and regulations of using this, the hub's internet, maybe what they have to know before they can proceed. Those are going to be in the adverts. You will decide which to use. So to create an advert, it's simply uploading a video. You give it the title, the description, and then you select the type of the video. Also you select that file. You select where that video you want it to be on the realm. You select the status, and then you choose when the video will start, and then when it will end. That will be all. Another thing, when you go to offline files, as you can see, these are the offline files. I've uploaded 3 videos, so what you only need to do is click on add media, and then you select an option. Maybe it's a video, it's an audio, it's a document. You choose either of them that you want. You select the realm. You can create another category. Maybe it's not entertainment, it's running materials. Then you select category, you provide the description, then you choose the main file. Okay, I hope this is also straightforward. Another thing is you select the video type. If it is a video, then we are going to ask you for a thumbnail. If it is an audio, we don't need the thumbnail. Okay, this is straightforward. Another thing is user management. You can choose your account to be managed by more than one user. Maybe you want to add an admin, you want to add stuff, you want active, suspended, you can simply come and register another user by selecting the type and all those kinds of things.